Hey everybody, welcome back to Onesixtyfourland with another unboxing. This time we have car culture. As you can see off camera over there, there's a recently opened one that was the Hot Wheels Off-Road, which means this is the latest modern classics. This just arrived from Stop Diecast. That's who I get all my sealed cases from, because the odds of me finding a chase on the pegs are slim to none. So I have a better time opening them, and then, hey, you know, maybe I'll pull something good. Like for example, in the off-road case, I pulled that chase. So, all right, modern classics. The few new castings in this. You have the Toyota Altezza. You got the Volkswagen Corrado, and I think the Miata is new for premium here. Oh, the Fiat 131 Abarth. So lots of new castings. So first up here is the Volkswagen Corrado VR6. Now, I am a Volkswagen guy. I was very excited when they were making a Corrado. This one is definitely better in hand. It looked more cartoonish in pictures, like with those giant fenders there. But this one, it looks a lot better in hand. This almost reminded me of the Mark V GTI that they did a while back, which was just ridiculous. So Corrado's looking good. I'm liking it. Much better in hand here. Okay, next up is the Spoon Sports, the Honda Civic EG. That little hatch is very cool. Spoon, iconic livery there. Looks good. Okay. Now the chase for this one is going to be the Toyota Altezza, so hopefully we'll get lucky and pull one of them. Here's the Fiat 131 Abarth. One thing you don't notice online is that the fenders are actually plastic. So this, to do a color break here, so this is all plastic. I'm sorry, not down here. Plastic fenders, and the front lip is plastic, as you can see there. But it looks great. That is cool. Nice. Excellent. Those little four spokes look phenomenal on there. Nice application of them. Happy to have it. All right, next up is the 1998 Toyota Altezza. Again, another new casting. One thing that was overlooked, which is really funny, there's no door handles on this. So let's put it in front of the camera so you can see. There's no door handles. So, you know, shaved door handles back then, that was a thing, right? I think it was just an oversight, but regardless, looks great. Maybe future iterations will have door handles cast into it. Maybe they won't. All right, let's see what else we got. Oh, skipped over there. The anticipation is killing me. So 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata, right? This is the first generation Miata. I think this is the first time that it's in premium, so it has a metal base. It's got real riders. It's got the perfect little real riders. And green and beige. Can't go wrong with that, right? All right, let's just get to it. And this is the standard. This is the standard one, so it's not the chase. But you know what, though? Again, I got this guy. I'm happy. 1 out of 2 ain't bad. So again, latest modern classics, a handful of new castings, first time in premium, great design. Check it out, and check out the other videos that I've got going on here, and we will see you next time. Cheers.